Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and it looks like I'm going to need to rotate this video before posting. So what I wanted to do is show you all the Happy Mail that I tried to show in the last video, but that video ended up getting longer and longer, and I said I'll just make a new video. So I'm out of my Premier Protein shake that I added coffee creamer to, because it was a coffee flavor. So I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you all got a chance to spend time with your family, spend times with your loved ones. Yesterday was crazy. I did have to work. While I was working, I ended up cooking at the same time, and also, yeah, I have a slight cold, so hopefully it don't turn into anything else. Just a cold. When I get off work, I'm probably going to go to the store, buy some Sudafed. And yes, the handle is broke off, but this is what the mug says. So let's go ahead and get this Happy Mail open. Before I get started, don't forget to check out the link for this collaboration savings challenge from Cassie J. If you hear the dog barking, or if it seems like she's going to bark, just know Travis has company and the dog is wanting to go in there where he is. And yeah, we can't have it, so I'm going to give her a treat. Here, Jasmine. So hopefully she'll keep quiet for us. Don't forget to check out... No. Oh boy. Y'all, this video hopefully it's not over 10 minutes long, but don't forget to check out Lil's World. She needs help getting her watch hour. She's so close. Don't forget to check out Tanya at the Nightlife. She's needing help for monetization. Don't forget to check out Rose Budget Life. She's needing help. And also Nine Blossoms is needing help as well to get to monetization as well. I know, here we go, the dog is starting, y'all. So I know if, we can help them out, run a playlist in the background while you're doing nothing. Don't forget to run it on normal speed. Don't 2 times the video or any of that, because that will kind of cut the watch hours in half. And I know I'm behind on watching everybody's videos. Like, my playlist or my watch later playlist is like at least 23 videos long. So let's go ahead and check out the Happy Mail that I got. So when I got this in the mail, I didn't know where it came from. At first I was thinking, who did I order something from? But sorry y'all, I realized that Cash Bear Mama, she had some things that I told her I wanted, and I forgot about that. So this Happy Mail is from Cash Bear Mama. Definitely love you so much. Her videos are always needed, and they are always right on time. So let's see what we got. So we have $500 in 30 days, which don't look too difficult. But this may be, for me, this may turn into $500 in 2 or $500 in 3 months or whatever. About the yelling that you all may hear, Travis' cousin is here, and it seems like everybody in the whole family is loud, y'all, so I'm so sorry. Next, we have the December Freeze Challenge. Here are the instructions here. This looks very interesting to do, so hopefully I can follow the correct instructions and actually do the challenge. Next, I believe I can take some rubbing alcohol to take this off and change the goal amount. So this is a savings tracker. I can't wait to actually keep up with this. Let's see, we still have things. Hold on. Wanted to get that out the way before I start. And that bag just fell on the floor. So hopefully, I was trying to get it out the way before I showed my address, which is what happened this last time. So this is what I really wanted from Cash Bear Mama. I've always wanted a month ahead binder. So in this month ahead binder, we have all the months, And then we have each category. Of course, I can go through and take some rubbing alcohol to remove that. So we have one for mortgage, electric, water, which I don't have just yet, but I know when I get my own place I will need to pay for water myself. So we got groceries, cell phone, medical, which I'm always using. Then we have fuel, eating out, pets. Jasmine, she always needs something, y'all. Automobile, internet, and I need to call AT&T because don't you know they sent me an email talking about my bill is $69.99, which means that it went up $5. I need to know why it went up and what discounts can I get because I don't want to pay them $5. I mean, $5 is not a lot, but it's a lot. So I need to call or chat with AT&T today right after I make this video exact. So today is the 29th. I need to see what's what before that bill gets paid. We have rent. We have insurance. We have an extra one with no name. And one that says bill. Did I skip one? We have one with no name. Of course, bill. And we have notes. Let's see who this is from. Here it is. All things, handmade by All Things Kimberly WV. Does that mean West Virginia? I don't know. But I am so grateful to have this. Cash Bear Mama, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see what else she sent. Y'all, this looks good. Do you see that? So, looks like in here, let me see if it's by someone. The budget, the average budget. Hold on, let me check. So it looks like every single savings challenge in this binder is by the average budget. So we have $100 for lemonade, dead hunt, $190, $250, a monthly budget, a candy budget. This will be good for next Thanksgiving. How was you all? How was your Thanksgiving? I don't know what I'm trying to say, but how was your Thanksgiving? Did you spend it with family, friends? Did you cook anything? Let me know down below. Like I said, while I was working, I was able to cook some stuff. So I had Travis help, of course. And when we got finished, we had turkey wings. What else? Turkey wings, baked macaroni. I cooked greens. I cooked brown beans or quote-unquote pinto beans. What else? Y'all, I made a freaking pecan pie, and I can't wait to cut into it. I'll put the picture right here so you can see it. What else we have? Is that it? I think I only had 6 things all together. So, pecan pie, macaroni, pinto beans, greens. I cooked some greens, turnip and mustard. What else? Chicken and dressing, of course. And, oh, I made deviled eggs. So we had those things. Still have a lot of leftovers. Let's get back to this. This says, don't be late. We have another challenge. And remember, if the numbers are too big on the challenges, you can always save $50 or $5, $70 or $7, and so on. Just to make it where you're able to still use the challenges. So we pretty much have a whole binder full of challenges. But other than that, I hope you all have a great Black Friday. If you are shopping, let me know down below. I did see some things on Amazon, some things that I wanted, like nothing too crazy, just vitamin wise, that are like 20% off, 30% off, things like that. So I may go in and order. I still have to finalize my budget before making the video. I actually got paid on, I think I got paid Tuesday, and since the whole Thanksgiving, I haven't made an actual final budget just yet, but when I do, I will upload the video. I hope you all have a great day and happy holidays, or I hope you have a great day and had a great happy holiday. So bye.